In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Jotform. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your form, and from here you have two options. Now, if you actually only have one page as of right now, and you want to duplicate the entire page, the quickest way to do it is by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard, and it's actually going to select all the fields like that. However, if you have multiple pages, and you only want to, of course, duplicate a specific one, you want to click on the first page, or a form, of course, on the first kind of field on your first page, and then you want to hold down your control key and just keep on clicking on all the other ones while you're holding down your control key. And whenever you do that, you want to go to the top here where it says duplicate, and you want to click on to bottom. Now this will duplicate this to bottom. However, as you can see, it's not on a new page, so just leave them selected, go to add element, and then at the very bottom under basic you can see page break. Click on page break. It's going to add a page break, and right now, as you can see, we've basically duplicated our page. So here's the first page, and then here's the second page like that. And as you can see here, we have the form, we have everything over here. Now this is a bit fail because, of course, as you can see, the submit button is up top. This should be of course wherever you want it to be. Like, it could be up top, you could remove the submit button, you could put it down at the bottom, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's basically how you duplicate your pages. That's the quickest and easiest way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.